Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the Govee Smart Light Bulbs. These Wi-Fi and Bluetooth color-changing bulbs are an absolute game-changer when it comes to lighting up your home. With 16 million D colors and 54 dynamic scenes, these smart light bulbs allow you to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a cozy feel for a quiet night in or a vibrant party setting, these bulbs have got you covered. But that's not all. These bulbs also come with music sync capability, meaning they can change color and brightness in time with the music playing around you. It's like having your own personal light show right in your living room. The Govee Home App makes controlling these bulbs a breeze, allowing you to adjust colors, scenes, and brightness with just a few taps on your phone. And if you're a fan of voice commands, these bulbs are also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, giving you even more control over your lighting. And let's not forget about the group control feature, which allows you to manage multiple Govee smart products at the same time. With timer and schedule functions, you can easily integrate these bulbs into your daily routine, brightening up your mornings and dimming down at bedtime. So, if you're looking to add a splash of color and convenience to your home, then these Govee Smart Light Bulbs are a perfect choice. Check out the link in the description to grab a 4-pack of these amazing bulbs for yourself. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your living space with just a touch of your fingertips.